Hello everyone and welcome back to SoCalerific. Today we are here for opening day of Oogie Boogie Bash. This event is like a separate ticketed event. It's like a Halloween party. So we're gonna go down some tree trails, collect some candy, and of course watch the Frightfully Fun Halloween parade. So come along and let's go. And for those of you visiting, just to let you know, the park does close at 6 p.m. when there is a Oogie Boogie Bash event. But again, for the rest of the season, each night is already sold out. All right, so we are here at 5:30. The party starts at 6 officially, and the line to check in is not long at all. So that is super cool. So this is our candy bag for this year. It is Wish, and on the other side is Percy Jackson. I got my wristband, and here is the event map for the night. So again, if your goal is to collect candy, make sure to bring like a bigger bag than the one they give you because they give out so much candy at this event. I just brought this one today because I didn't want my backpack to be super heavy. But again, if you really want to collect that candy, make sure to bring your own bag. Also, I want to give a little shout out to Mariah, who I met, was super nice, and she gave me this super cool little spooky sticker. How cute is that? So it was great meeting you, Mariah, and thank you again for the little sticker. So for our first treat trail of the night, usually we start with Oogie Boogie, but this year we're going to do something a little different, and we're going to start off with Ernesto de la Cruz. He was such a fan favorite last year, so we definitely want to see him, so we're going to start off with him today. Thank you. All right, first treats of the night, headed to the next treat stop.
Someone took from my rose. Wow, I would only throw this rose to my biggest fan. Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart.
We just got done with Ernesto de la Cruz. It was amazing. It was like a little concert right there, and they let us stand in front for like a little good while, but again, they had to keep the line moving once he was done singing. But he is here at the Hyperion Theater now, and I think that was a good call because there's just more room, and let me tell you, it still did get crowded, but having here at the Hyperion, it's much better. So now we're headed into Avengers campus for the second tree trail of our night, and Agatha has made her return back here to Avengers campus, so let's go see. So as you walk through Avengers campus, not only do you have the tree trails, but there are some characters at and about like Thor. For our next tree trail, we're gonna see a new character who wasn't here last year at Oogie Boogie Bash. We're gonna see Yokai from Big Hero 6. The line is over here in Cars Land, so it is moving, so we'll see how long it takes. But he is a new character here for this year, so I'm excited to see him. And I have yet to see San Francisco since it has been completed, so I'm gonna get a little glimpse of that as well.
I would give anything to have my daughter back, which is why I'm looking for Alistair Gray. You see, he's taken her from me. Project Silent Sparrow.
So we just saw Yokai, and his line moves super fast, so he was a new character, but we didn't have to wait long for him. And he does talk. So up next, we're gonna head into Pixar Pier. Here's where they have like a Lotso photo op. He is new to Oogie Boogie Bash, and they have Sid. He has returned for another treat trail, so let's head in and go see them. It's awesome to see everyone in their costumes. Again, this year I didn't dress up. I just have like a plain t-shirt. Usually at Oogie Boogie, the first day, it's like super hot. It is awful, but today the weather is nice. It's a little muggy, but believe me, I appreciate this way more than the past 2 years. It is so much better this year, and it does feel a little bit more spooky instead of like a super hot summer night. Just to give you a little idea, if you do want to come to Oogie Boogie and do some rides, look at Incredicoaster. Look at that queue. It is super empty. So here on Pixar Pier, there were a few little photo opportunities. We saw Mr. Incredible, Carl from Up, and he looked so cute with his little walker and the tennis balls. And of course, like I mentioned, they did have Lotso. I didn't wait in the line because it was long, and if you do wait for the photos, it does take up a lot of your night. So I just tried to get a little quick glimpse of him, and he was there hugging guests. He looked so adorable, but I didn't forget, I know what Lotso is up to. Behind that little cute, huggable smile is that villain. So I will remember Lotso, but there's no denying he looks super adorable. He looked like in great spirits. I was gonna go on the tree trail. It is so long. He's longer than like all the new characters. So far he's been the longest tree trail. Which I mean, he's pretty cool, but...
Dollies? But what? They're so much better, aren't they? Aren't they?
So I am shocked how long that Sid Candy Trail was. It ended like over here near the Pixar Pier, but it went all the way down the Pixar Pier. It's looping. I mean, he's been here for 3 years. He's still popular. So here at Oogie Boogie, they do have some merch. I wanted to show you the new Loungefly ears. They are Loungefly and they are like dice. Here's the bow with all like the bugs and the worm, like the movie. These are pretty cool. Oh, on the back it says Oogie Boogie Bash 2023. They also have a Loungefly backpack. Again, kind of with the same theme with the dice, Oogie Boogie. Here's a closer look at the detail. All right, it does say Oogie Boogie Bash in the back. Here's what the straps look like, and it is going for $88. Of course, you know they always have to bring out a Spirit jersey. And here's a closer look at the detail. I have seen quite a few people buy this, wear this for the event, so that's a pretty good option. And on the back it says Oogie Boogie Bash. This mug is actually super cool. Oogie Boogie Bash 2023, and I believe it glows in the dark. All right, this one is super cool. This is $19.99. For $27.99, they have this Oogie Boogie tumbler cup. It is like plastic, and look how cool this is. It has like the dice, like a vibrant green straw. It does say Spellbound, and of course, Oogie Boogie Bash. All right, they also have this t-shirt with Oogie Boogie, as well as some other villains like Maleficent, the Evil Queen, Hades. I've seen a ton of people with this Loungefly sweater today. It is Loungefly, it has some dice, and it has Oogie Boogie. This one's super cool, and even the hood has some like cool detail as well. Another detail on the sweater is, look at this sleeve. It has like stitches. It says Disney's California Adventure, which is pretty cool as well. It seems as though they have something specifically designed for magic key holders. And this is it. And this actually has some more villains than the other one. So while I was walking by, it said like there was gonna be a Sanderson Sisters tree trail. So I thought maybe the characters will be there, but they have like a cauldron that you stand in front of. You can see like they have like the broom and the vacuum from the movie. And you could also get a little glimpse of Binks. But it would have been really cool if they would have brought the Sanderson Sisters. I was hoping it was gonna be like a little surprise. Hopefully one year they'll bring the Sanderson Sisters in like human form. I know we have like the photo op with Minnie, Clarabelle, and Daisy, but I would like to see the Sanderson Sisters here at Oogie Boogie Bash. So another photo opportunity they have here in this area is Kingdom Hearts, Mickey and Goofy. So right now, both of them are out. No!
Since I've had Toontown under my jurisdiction, my goal has been to rein in the insanity. And the only way to do that is to make Toons respect the law.
So the line for Judge Doom was super short, and as soon as we got there, he was putting that poor little shoe in the dip. I don't know if you guys seen Roger Rabbit. That was like such a little traumatic scene, and seeing it in person was still sad. But he's a really cool character. He's a true villain, and he is here at Oogie Boogie Bash, so he fits perfectly in my opinion. As we were walking by, look at these balloons, how cool they are. We got Oogie Boogie, and we also have one with Donald and some ghosts. Ooh, Jack and Sally. I don't remember seeing these last year. I'm pretty sure they're new. Usually around this purple tree, they also have some other characters, but I don't see... Oh, actually, yes, I do.
I will.
All right, actually, we do have one character out, and it is the evil hag. Look at her go. Trying to find her next victim, perhaps. As we... Surprised she doesn't have any apples around. Now we got the evil... Oh my god. I've seen Frozen, but I don't know his name. Hans? Look at them having like a villain meetup. So now we're gonna go visit the host of Oogie Boogie Bash, Mr. Oogie Boogie. He is located in Animation Academy, so we're gonna head on in and just go see him.
Does that sound harsh? Good! Anyone wanna play dice?
But now we're gonna head in to see Cruella. And so far, other than Sid, these treat trails have not been packed. They've been pretty empty.
I can tell your outfit is very stylish and love the bird. Although next time I would prefer to have spots. Can you do that next time? Pretty please, promise? Alright, I'll take your word for it. Hi there. Right there. I'm sure you've read about it all in the papers.
Yes.
Yes. Which one's your favorite?
The one on the garbage truck.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
right here.
Alright, so it is 7:45 and we're practically done with most of the treat trails. I didn't do Sid because you saw it was such a long line. And also I haven't done Mother Gothel or Villains Grove. So I need some energy. It is dinner time, so we stopped at Award Wieners. And we did get a seasonal offering today, and that is an all beef hot dog with home-style chili, pepper jack cheese, corn chips, served on a toasted bun with film strip fries. Pretty delicious. It does taste like a little home hot dog that you can make like with the little canned chili beans. It has some Fritos on top, pepper jack cheese, but it's tasting pretty yummy, and I'm enjoying it. So overall, that meal was delicious. I like that they also had like the Fritos on top. They added like a crunch, and they weren't soggy. Like I hate like when chips are soggy, so it was just perfect. And also the fries were good as well. They were crispy, which I prefer. All right, I had to throw some stuff in my backpack, but again, every treat trail, I don't grab like all the candy just because I don't have a lot of room. But I want to give you an example of some of the candy that you could expect to find. Something I'm excited for are these little Rice Krispie treats. Pretty delicious. Milky Way, Snickers, Sun Chips. I did get some carrots, some goldfish. These little giant grams, they're pretty good. Goldfish as well. Some Skittles, M&Ms. So wide variety. I just wish they had Reese's peanut butter cups because that is my favorite candy chocolate. But other than that, look at this amount of candy that I'm taking home. And I've been skipping so many little treat trail stops. So a treat trail I forgot was Madame Mim. She was new last year, but they did bring her back this year. But I did go visit her again. The line was short, but she is very interactive with guests. She's funny. She kind of has like funny insults towards the guests. It's all in good fun. So I forgot about her, but I'm glad I remembered because she did make me laugh a few times.
I feel comfortable when playing a game. Here's some here, dear. Yes. Wonderful. I do love games, you know. I always win. Everyone, put your right foot in. Put your right foot out. Put your left foot in. And leave. Goodbye. Have a terrible time. Hello, dear. How are you? Oh, that's dreadful to hear, isn't it? Yes, of course it is. Oh, you have extra ears growing out of your head.
We have what?
You have extra ears growing out of your head.
They're not good, I can't hear you.
Yes, I can tell.
So for the second parade, we got a spot like 15 minutes before. We got a pretty good spot, but if you want to get like a guaranteed better spot, I would say 25 to 30 minutes before the parade begins. But now we are just waiting so we can watch it.
Ready
just watched the parade and it was so amazing. The performers were so good. They brought the energy. I love this parade. I've only seen it 3 times, so I'm not sick of it yet. Now it's definitely starting to feel like Halloween. Oogie Boogie Bash is kicking it off for me this year. Just to let you know, if you're here near Carthay Circle, they have little projection moments on Carthay, and I've seen 3 throughout the night as I walked by. So it's just kind of nice to see. Gives it a little more theming. Alright everyone, so that was our night here at Oogie Boogie Bash. We had a great time. This is our 3rd year in a row. I did wish that they had like a little more surprises. We didn't get to see Mother Gothel, Villains Grove. I skipped this year. I have done it the previous 2 years, so if it's your first year here, I definitely recommend it. But since I've done it before, I didn't really feel the need to do it this time. I hope they change it just a little bit, give us some more new characters. But it was a great night. The weather was good, the crowd wasn't bad. I had a lot of fun. Alright, but for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.